This full-size electric guitar kit is thoughtfully put together for new players, bundling the instrument with a compact amplifier, cable, padded case, strap, extra strings, pick, and tremolo bar so you can start playing immediately. The guitar itself follows the classic double cutaway shape with a comfortable maple neck and smooth composite fingerboard that make basic chords and scales easier on the hands. 3 single-coil pickups and straightforward controls provide a surprisingly versatile range of tones, from cleaner practice sounds to grittier rock textures suitable for early band rehearsals. The included 10-watt practice amplifier is simple to use, yet loud enough for bedroom playing, with basic tone shaping that helps beginners hear how adjustments affect their sound. Fit and finish are better than many entry-level options, with an even midnight blue paint job, matching hardware, and stable tuning machines that hold pitch reasonably well once the strings are stretched. For someone exploring electric guitar for the first time or stepping up from a toy instrument, this set offers a convenient, low-hassle way to learn the basics and experiment with different musical styles.